Introduction to GD&T. Geometric Dimensioning and Tolerancing is a language of symbols and standards used by engineers and manufacturers to describe a product. The language of GD&T consists of dimensions, tolerance, symbols, definitions, rules, and conventions that can be used to precisely communicate the functional requirement for the location, orientation, size, and form of each features of the design model. With functional assemblies and part with complex functionalities, it is crucial that all components work well together. GD&T is the system that allows developers and inspectors to optimize functionality without increasing cost. The most important benefit of GD&T is that the system describes the design intent rather than the resulting geometry itself. Describing product geometry related to its intended functionality and manufacturing approach is ultimately simpler than having to describe everything in linear dimensions. It also provides a communication tool with manufacturing vendors, customers, as well as quality inspectors. In order for any language to be effective, it must be based on some common standard. ASME and ISO, International Standard Organization, both have standards related to application and use of GD&T. The ASME standards are generally used by US companies, while the ISO standards are commonly used by companies based in other countries. Within each of those organizations, there are several standards that are applicable to the topic of GD&T. Furthermore, each standard is periodically revised, with each version of standard identify the year of its acceptance. By deepening your knowledge of GD&T, you will improve communication with your machine shop and ensure everyone involved is speaking the same language.